But we begin tonight with a new perspective on the coronavirus pandemic. It's a look we rarely get, but one that's so important because it concerns some of Arizona's most vulnerable people living in long-term care. Tonight, ABC 15 has uncovered a significant outbreak at a facility in Pine Top Lakeside. It took our team 5 days to get information, and even then, it came from the federal level, a lack of transparency that's concerning for advocates.
What are they hiding? They obviously are hiding something.
Even as cases continue to rise across the state, Arizona leaders are not required to share when outbreaks happen in facilities like this one. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg shares the exclusive details of secrecy and loss in eastern Arizona.
Where is he? Where is he?
We met Douglas Miller and his dog Abby outside this long-term care facility in a small mountain town just outside Show Low. Well, on his walks, he made a friend named Sean who was outside often and lives inside here.
And I miss this guy so bad. We had some of the best times just walking around the block. And we did that for years, for at least 2 years.
But since the pandemic began, the long-term care facility, Haven of Lakeside, has been on lockdown, and he has not seen his friend.
I'm looking for him, and I'm afraid he's not here anymore. But I don't know how to find out. And I don't want to know. Maybe I don't want to know. You know, is he gone already?
ABC 15 confirming with the Federal Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services that Haven of Lakeside reporting 41 new COVID-19 cases in a recent report ending October 18th. Nursing homes are required to report cases weekly. The data coming from the feds because Governor Doug Ducey and ADHS Director Dr. Kara Christ are keeping this information secret. ABC 15 and other local media went to court earlier this year to force the governor and Dr. Chris to release the information. Judge Christopher Corey ruled that while state law favored release, state law also allows the governor to keep the information under wraps. Only a new law could force a change.
We should not be shocked. We should be outraged.
Dana Kennedy is with AARP. She's an advocate for those inside long-term care facilities. Kennedy says this facility has capacity for 112 beds, but likely not all of them are filled. So that means at least a third of all residents are positive.
And the other thing that is absolutely critical is transparency. It is why we have called for transparency from day one, because the workers live in the community. And if there's an outbreak in the facility, it most likely was brought in from a worker.
Kennedy says if residents are positive, employees have to be also. She wonders how many and has anyone died. While we were here, we saw a woman pushing a patient outside with no mask. She put it back on before going inside. We were on the ground outside of Haven of Lakeside on Friday. We spent hours outside the facility trying to get anyone to confirm information on what is happening on the inside. ABC 15 has reached out to the facility, employees, the director, their corporate headquarters. On this day, we were told the director was inside.
Or press pound for more options.
Hi there, this is Nicole Grigg with ABC 15 again. We are here at your facility. Every time we call, we're sent to voicemails and no returned calls. This is important to know because this facility receives state and federal funding.
And why aren't they sharing this with the public? What are they hiding? They obviously are hiding something.
Fire officials with Timber Mesa Fire District say in 16 days they've responded 24 times for COVID-related calls at this location.
And every time I see an ambulance sitting here, you think the worst. Is it his turn? Is he gone now? I don't know.
We know this facility has past problems with infection control. This past summer, they were cited twice, according to the Division of Licensing Services with the State Department of Health. A survey report from that office warned residents and staff members in the same dining area would spread the virus. It says, quote, the deficient practice could result in the spread of infection, including COVID-19, to residents and staff. And that's why we are asking, what is happening inside Haven of Lakeside?
There's no reason why they shouldn't be talking to the press unless they're hiding something. And I would say that if they're not talking to you, because they're hiding something, and I want to know what they're hiding.
Dana Kennedy tells me that she thinks that the state should look at the facility's licensing. Now, we reached out to the county, we reached out to the state, but both of them saying that they can't comment, citing privacy concerns. And we should tell you that the governor and Dr. Christ, they're having a press conference tomorrow, and we plan to ask about this because patients, their families, and the public deserve to know about this outbreak at Haven of Lakeside. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.